Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a Create Google Doc action to create Google Docs from your records data. Now the very first thing we need to do is create a template for our Google Doc, which I've already done here. Here I have a simple invoice template. As you can see, I have my field shortcode data contained within curly brackets and preceded by a dollar symbol. This is the format you need to use in order to bring in your field data and add it to the Google Doc. In order to find these shortcodes and edit them, we can go to Edit Form, open up the field properties for one of our fields, and in yellow here you can see the shortcode. This can be edited by clicking this pencil icon, typing in our value here, and then clicking the green check mark. Now that we have our template created, we just need to create our action. So I'm going to go to Edit App. I'm going to go to the Action section. And I'm going to create a new action. I'm going to select the Create Google Doc action. I'll give mine a generic name. And then we need to select the form that will be used. I only have this one form, so I'm going to select that. Now you may need to connect to your Google Drive if this is the first time you are using the action. Let's go ahead and choose your account. We just need to give GW Apps permission to see, edit, create, delete from our Google Drive. All right. In just a moment here, you'll see some additional options. Next, we need to choose the template, the Google Doc template that I just showed you. So I'm going to browse here, and I'm going to choose my account. And then I'll select that invoice Google Doc. Next, we need to give the document a name. This is the name that it will save as. You can free type here, or you can also bring in field data using the @ symbol. I'm going to bring in the customer name, and I'll also bring in the customer ID. Great. Let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit. Now we need to choose the Drive folder where the document will be moved to. You can enter the folder ID manually if you'd like, or you can browse to select a folder. I'll choose this tutorial series folder. Then we need to choose how to share the Google document. We can send it as an email notification, and we can attach it to a Drive Picker field on the form. I'm going to just attach it to a Drive Picker field. I have this invoice attach field. I'm going to use that. Then we need to select the appropriate time zone. And here we can choose who to share the document with if we'd like to share it with additional people. We can assign the regular roles. This can be field-based, or it can be custom using our directory list. I don't need to share this with anyone, so I'm just going to remove that. Let's go ahead and click Create. Here we can just verify everything is correct, and then click Save. Great. Now that our action is created, we need a way of invoking the action, and we're going to do that via an action button. So I'm going to move over to my form, my Word Doc Demo form. I'm going to select the workflow card. I'm going to select the completed stage, and I'm going to add an action button here. I'll give it a generic name, Create Google Doc, and then click Create. In the default actions, I'm going to add a Google Doc action, and I'm going to select the action that I created. Let's go ahead and save and launch, and let's test out our button. I already have a record here with all of the data filled out. I'm going to use that. As you can see on the bottom here, I have that invoice attach field. Let's go ahead and create our Google Doc. Now it's going to attach it to that field, and it's also going to save it into our Google Drive. Let's go ahead and refresh. There it is. And if I go to my Google Drive, and then just refresh, here you can see that invoice for John Doe, 12345. Again, that is that field data that we added to the title. And there we have it. Our Google Doc is created, and as you can see, it has captured all of our field data. Thank you for watching.